we've got a big day planned, heading down to Bolton Point for their big fundraiser, hung on today. It's about 6:30 now, so we've got to run around and do a couple of things, and it's going to be a big day, but it's going to be a good day. We did stop to see Santa. Away from kicking off, so we're just going to go check out the hangi and check out the fry bread and see how it's all coming along. Beautiful. It was mad. I'm saving her for my dinner, my breakfast, and tomorrow's lunch.
It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Tinoreka.
It was a good entree. I was looking for the meal, the main meal. That was awesome.
Mean, bro. Mean feet by Dave. Got it down pat.
Magnificent, mate. Delicious.
Delicious? Good.
Yeah.
How's your hangi? You're still eating?
Yeah, it's beautiful, thank you.